Today I'm going to show you guys two different ways that you can use these Ivory White Artificial Peonies. Now these are extremely versatile and we absolutely love them. First thing, as soon as they came, most artificial flowers are usually compressed in shipping. We didn't have to fluff these at all. That was a huge bonus. First, we use them without the stems and just lace the blooms into the garlands. And honestly, these work perfect for that. The flowers are full and realistic, so even without stems, they still look beautifully woven through the greenery. Plus, we didn't have to hide any stems or bend anything. This was perfect. They didn't look flat or cheap. The petals have layers and they keep their shape really well, which makes a huge difference when you're styling them. When we decided to switch things up, we did use the stems and leaves that came in the box to make a vase arrangement. Everything fit together easily. You just slide the flowers onto the stems and arrange them how you want. I like that you're not stuck using these just one way. You can take them apart, restyle them, and use them for different spaces or occasions. In the vase, they look really elegant and full. You don't need a ton of extra filler to make them look nice, because these can stand on their own. The ivory color is really pretty. It works for everyday home decor, weddings, holidays, and even outdoor setups without feeling too formal. What I love most is that you get the look of fresh flowers without worrying about them wilting, shedding, or needing water. You can use these on tables, shelves, mantles, porches, centerpieces. I mean, these things are really easy to move around and restyle whenever you want to change. We were sent these to test out in our home decor, and these are great if you like decorating and want flowers that give you lots of options instead of just one setup.